was sent this book for learning piano, and it's good for beginners all the way to advanced levels. Now, I used to play piano as a kid and I could read music, but I have long forgotten that. So I just thumbed through this entire book and tried to speed through as many lessons as I could, and a lot was coming back to me. So this one's for scales, chords, and arpeggios, and it is step by step. So you can see in the table of contents, like it goes over everything. Now there's also accompanying YouTube videos that you can watch for some of the lessons. So if you're more of a visual learner, I love that there's that aspect to it as well. It starts off with really basic, your hand positions, where to put them on C for each one, and numbering your hands so that you can really follow like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I thought that was really cool. And everything just builds on itself. There's also a whole section about chords. The book even includes musical theory, and there's a lot written in addition to just the notes and how to play. So I love that it incorporates both things into it. And if you're really self-motivated, I think this is a great way to either brush up on your piano or teach yourself how to play piano. And you don't even need to have a full-blown piano. You could be using a keyboard just like I'm doing. So you can go step by step. You don't need to blow through the whole book in one day. You can do a lesson a week or whatever suits your lifestyle. This is great for both kids or adults, but I'd probably say it's more geared towards teens or adults that can be pretty self-motivated and don't need as many like gimmicks to get into playing, if that makes any sense. It's very cut and dry, and it just tells you what you need to learn. So if you're looking for a great way to brush up on your piano skills or even learn piano for the very first time, I think you should definitely check it out.